Go to your happy place. Hello, everyone, and all you students of peak performance. I'm Dr. Krystosik AKA Dr. Good Carbs. And if you're new to this channel, well, we teach you how to become your own peak performance boss. So come on back, you're going to learn a lot. And today, I'm going to teach all of you how to be able to use your visualization in the deep breathing technique, part 2. And if you haven't watched part 1, I encourage you to look at the link below in today's video, and you will be able to dive deep into part 1. It's very important that you do all 3 layers of this because it'll become part of your lifestyle, and that's what we all want, to be in our happy place all the time. So I'm talking about the art and science of deep breathing. Now, in part 1, we talked about the science and all the benefits. And go back and listen to that, and you'll find dramatic benefits physically that you can get with deep breathing. But today we're going to get into the art of deep breathing. And that part is the visualization, using your mind's eye to help you to be able to expand and enjoy beyond what you normally go to in a physical place. You can go there in your mind. And I just want to help you understand, you can teach this technique to your children. They don't learn these things in school. You can teach them things like deep breathing and how to be able to manage their life and de-stress on your own, something you can do as a peak performance boss. So I encourage you to do that, teach your kids. And during these difficult times, with the stress of COVID, and there's a lot of other stresses in life, but especially during this difficult time, deep breathing has become more important and more essential, because you can breeze through this difficult time if you create this space in your mind and use visualization. So let's dive right into it right now and help you to understand that using this technique, you'll be able to sleep better and have a restful, peaceful, easeful day. So how do we do that? Well, let me just review for you a couple things. You need to take long, deep inhalations through your nose and long, deep exhalations through your mouth, using your lips pursed when you deep breathe out. Myself at the foot of Jesus. I'm on the floor, laying on the floor. Jesus has his hand on top of my head. And as I breathe in, I feel the light of the Lord. The Bible says that God is light. And so I feel the light of God going through my head, going through my entire body, all the way down to my toes. And it's pushing out the darkness. The Bible says God is light again. And so it's the hand of God. I see it. I visualize it pushing out the darkness in me. And as I breathe out, with my lips pursed, I see the dark cloud of smoke, the black cloud, the frustration, the anxiety, the tension, the worries, the anger. We all have these negative emotions hiding in places inside of us that we don't even know. So bring them out. Get rid of them. detoxify your mind and be free of the bondage of being tied down to these negative emotions. This is a powerful technique. And I promise if you practice this 10 to 15 minutes twice a day, it's going to transform your life. Your world will be changed. Your world will be filled with joy. And you will be able to share this joy with others as you go through your day. You got to get very specific though. You got to have your own happy place, wherever that's at. Go to it, enjoy it in your mind's eye, and you will begin to see how your world has changed. You know, what we perceive in our minds is what we project out into the world. So take your happy place, project happiness to others. It's going to be significantly better for you and the people around you. Carry it wherever you go. Travel with your happy place. You take your wallet, you take your backpack, your briefcase, your belongings you take with you every single day that you put in your pocket. Carry your happy place wherever you go. And it's going to be, as I said, a game changer for you. So let's review what we talked about today. You need to use a deep breathing twice per day, 2 times per day, about 10 to 15 minutes. Go into a quiet space. Ask people for that privacy, to go to your little sanctuary, lay on the floor, sit in a chair, wherever is the most comfortable. Close the lights off, turn them off, and no music, just relax. And be able to start to visualize and go to your happy place, wherever that's at. Spend time in your happy place every single day. It's going to be a significant game changer for you. I know when you do that, it's going to be a great way for you to be able to enjoy your life better, to de-stress. So I encourage you, if you liked the video today, subscribe to our channel, tell your families and friends about it. You can leave a comment below or ask a question. And remember, you're your own peak performance boss, and we teach you how to do that. Until next time, I'm Dr. Krystosik, AKA Dr. Good Carbs. And don't forget, tomorrow we start our Facebook Live group at 9 o'clock. From 9 to 9:30, be there. Take care. Bye.